AI video tools can be expensive, and most don't justify the cost. I compared 5 platforms to see which one is delivering the best value. And InVideo stood out immediately. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's hit it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of InVideo. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is actually consistently delivering the lowest cost per generation among the leading AI video platforms. Now, when you are comparing it with competitors, its value becomes very clear because the services such as FreePick and Artlist typically charge higher rates for an 8-second generation while offering access to fewer AI models. Meanwhile, OpenArt is actually providing slightly cheaper base pricing, but it lacks that integrated workflow often that forces creators to use multiple tools, and ultimately the cost is gaining even more. Now, another competitor is Higgsfield. So it is frequently requiring multiple subscriptions to achieve that outputs comparable to what InVideo offers within a single environment. So it's not fragmented and you do not have to go through a lot of different things or subscribe to a lot of different stuff for you to be able to get all the tools that you would like to use. Now, in contrast, guys, InVideo is combining competitive pricing with an added benefit, and the free image generation for an entire year is further strengthening its cost advantage. Now, beyond the pricing, InVideo is introducing a comprehensive website that is designed to simplify the entire creative process. Now, the platform integrates video generation, image creation, as well as collaboration tools into one seamless workspace. And that is very, very efficient, especially for the ones that are, supervising a team of creators. That actually makes it very efficient. Now, with InVideo, there are no hidden fees, and every model and prompt to video workflow is actually included within the platform. So I will actually show you this one. So here, let me click on agents and models, all right? And then if I click on Kling 3.0 and then just do this one. All right, so bear with me here, guys. Let me go ahead and type in a cinematic tracking shot flying through glowing bioluminescent forest at twilight. Those camera weaves smoothly between towering ancient trees with iridescent, blue bark in the foreground. Okay, so for the ones that are new with AI, guys, this is what you need to do. Delicate, translucent ferns sway in a gentle breeze, releasing sparkling spores into the air. Volumetric fog catches the warm golden light of a setting twin sun in the distance. Then shot on 70 film, photo realistic, incredibly detailed. All right, so let's go ahead and generate this. Again, guys, here you would be able to check out, okay? This is for Nano Banana, okay? And Nano Banana 2 charges 0.08 credits per image. And if you would like to generate a video, you could generate a video. Click on this one. And if I say, for example, click on Kling 3.0, okay, and click on that one, it will show you how much credits it will take you to generate the video. Okay, so this is what I got from the prompt that I actually entered. All right, so very, very good. Go ahead and try this one out, guys. Now, using the platform, guys, it is very, very straightforward. Users could actually generate video clips, create the thumbnails, and manage visual assets within a single project without incurring extra charges. So unlike the new projects out there that has additional cost, InVideo is allowing creators to keep all the assets, the edits, and the version organized in one place. Make sure to go ahead and check this one out, guys. guys. Okay, generate a video within video and calculate the cost per generation. Then try a competition, guys. Try a competitor out there. All right, you'll immediately see the value and the differences. And guys, if you are new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.